All right, figured this time I'd do a little before and after. This is a 1981 SR500. Looks like somebody put almost 60,000 miles on it somehow. They put these terrible sad face wheelbarrow bars and swapped out the tank, and very dirty, but otherwise lights were working. Engine is ticking pretty loudly, so probably needs some top end work, but engine doesn't look terribly dirty. Obviously OEM rear fender is going to be more like that one, and yeah, I'll splice this in with the after, hopefully in a few months. Just want to do a quick video here of a commissioned build. This is a 1980 Yamaha SR500, powder coated frame, custom subframe, chopped and re-welded, powder coated front and rear wheels, powder coated side covers, powder coated fork lowers, engine side covers, all of that good stuff. Built this for the OneMoto show in Portland, and had my good buddy Max hand paint the tank, which is absolutely amazing. My buddy Kao that I built the bike for is a video game producer, so Max did some awesome video game art on the bike. Just a quick shot here. We'll turn the key on, and it's fairly warm out, so we'll just bump up the air idle mixture a bit, just like the other SR500s. We'll pull the compression release here and pull out the Kickstarter, cycle through a few times, bring it back to top dead center in the window. I know, it's terrible to do with only one hand free, but anyway. All right, so we're back to top dead center, and quick kick there. LED lights all around, upgraded. Without a battery, LED lights all around. We've got rear tail light, turn signals, upgraded YSS shocks in the rear, custom exhaust, and yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Of course, aftermarket, basically upgraded everything. Renthal handlebars. I like putting on this simple little neutral light when I do builds. Little mini miles per hour gauge, custom seat, and again, done a quick video of the tank here because I think it's so awesome. Sounds pretty good. Again, 1980 SR500. If you want one, leave a comment or reach out at HuxMoto on Instagram. And yeah, thanks for watching.